Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's my birthday today. Don't I look so young and just glowing? I'm 25 years old today. 25.
25?
And
No, 35.
no, I'm 25.
No, 35.
No, I'm 25.
No?
I'm 25, babe. Babe, am I 25?
Huh?
I'm 25, right?
What?
I'm 25 today.
No, I thought you were 30.
No, I'm 25.
I thought it was 30.
No.
Daddy's 20. Daddy's older than you.
Daddy is older than me. Yes, that's right. He's much older, way older. Ugh, he's a little cradle robber. So yeah, it's my birthday today. And
My grade.
I'm adulting today. Let's just say that. I'm adulting today. What, like, why? Why? Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Oh, your logo on your logo on your shirt. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Where's the dog? Where's the baby?
Hey.
Good morning. Oh, how you? Good morning. Oh, Jesus, Rocky. We need to get you a haircut.
This is the Jamaican store.
Look at that. Yeah, so I'm about to go drop these kids off at school. Hubby's not coming with me. He's been coming with me for the past how long, and now all of a sudden he can't come. He can't come. I'm not in the mood. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. On my birthday. Look at that, guys. Happy birthday to me. I celebrate my birthday by myself. Well, I have a twin sister, but that doesn't count anymore because after you turn 25, you don't have to share. She was born. She can celebrate her birthday tomorrow. It's my day today.
Yay! It's 29. Starbucks.
Can you tell?
$18.
I bought a Starbucks cup because why not? You know, it's my birthday present, so I can drink more water. But after today, this is going in the cupboards with all the other ones. Alright, people, we gotta go because Daddy's not coming, and he's a faster driver than I am.
It's actually real. That when you turn 29, you know how it's your birthday?
His 35 miles per hour is faster than mine's. I don't know why. So we gotta go. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Baby, keep it, Maddie. Babe, I can't wrangle baby and kids. You gotta keep one. It's either you come and drive.
No, they use the phone.
You blowing me today. Oh my gosh, guys. I gotta show you guys something.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
It's fall. It says hello fall.
You can show them after
Yeah.
you're done.
It's not time yet. I still got 3 minutes. Right, babe? Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a new day. It's a new day, and I have that little one right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. That's just I wanna find something to do with her. I just finished editing like a bazillion videos. I'm doing lunch videos, what Maddie eats in the mornings. Like, no one really cares what Maddie eats in the morning. I don't know why I turned that on. Oh gosh, I seriously need to invest in some good lighting in this house. But I want to find something for Maddie to do because Maddie is driving me insane up a wall, and she's just into marking stuff. Like, Maddie marked up my whole entire house, my brand new house that we just got built. Maddie done destroyed it. Like, there's just marker, pencil everywhere. I'm gonna show you guys in a second what I'm talking about. Hang on. If you guys have toddler, you know what I'm talking about because it's just no fun. So right here we have pencil, We have more pencil going down the wall there. We have more pencil mark right there. More pencil mark. More pencil mark. Oh man, you guys should see this one. Look at that. This one I erased. And then I have more upstairs, but I'm too lazy to go up there. But she's into, I'm all for the child, you know, learning how to, her penmanship. I'm all for it, but not on my wall. Not on my wall. Not about that life. Drop the kids at school. Television is going and she's not watching it. I don't know why television is going. We're wasting electricity here. Got our water bill. I almost had a little mini panic attack, heart attack, what you call it. But got our water bill. That bad boy was just like, whoa there. We won't be eating for 3 whole years. Needless to say, it's just a part of owning a house, you know. It's just something that no one could have prepared us for, and it's just, hey, you know, it just, you know what I mean? Anyways, how's school going for the kids? I like it. Jaxson came home and he had memory verse. And today I forgot to, because you know I pray with the children every single morning. Today I forgot to pray with them and I didn't feel bad. You know why I didn't feel bad? Because they go to a Christian school and they have devotion in the morning. So if I slack off on my duty as a mother, you know, and spiritually preparing my children for the day, they get that at school. So I am so happy that the Lord provided that for my babies. But yet, nevertheless, you need to pray with your kids in the mornings before you send them out into the world, regardless of where they're going. You know what I mean? You need to. It's important. But I didn't feel like such a bad mother that I didn't do that today. And I know my husband is watching me on the camera up there. He's just like this morning, out of nowhere, I hear a voice. And I'm like, where is that voice coming from? And it's my husband speaking to the children through the ring system we have set up all throughout this house. And I'm like, why would I agree to put all this camera in my house so my husband can watch me throughout the day? Creepy. Maddie, say hello. You be legit acting like an abused baby. Say hello. Hello. Close your eyes. Aww. Okay, come here. Stand up. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's not funny. Close your eyes. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down and close your eyes. Jump. Jump. Lay down, close your eyes and jump. Jump. Close your eyes. Lay down. Do something to make me not look like I'm lying. Do something. Lay down. Scratch your nose. Do something. Alright. Anyways, I'm going to go clean up my mess of a house and I will catch you guys on the upside. I don't know which side that is. Hide and seek. Oh, I'm out of wipes. I'm out of wipes and I'm so lazy to go upstairs to get this child a diaper that I'm rummaging through my bag just to do a diaper trade. See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about? No, do not mark up the house. Okay? As a matter of fact, give me that pen. Give it to me. Thank you. Let's go change your bum. You smell. Come on, let's go. Come on. I don't know why you once smell so horrible. Come on. Oh. Come on, Stinky. Look at all this mess that Maddie done created. It's a lie. I'm just a horrible housekeeper. Come on. Come on. Let's get this diaper change. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you stink. Oh, leave that man. Ooh. You smell horrible, child. You only have one wipe. We need to get wipes. We need to go to Target. Wanna go to Target? Yeah, we need to go to Target later. Yeah.
We'll see you there.
How to make a big fun crafty show. Step 1, reveal the project. Can you make me a magical card? Step 2,
Yeah. Ugh. Ooh, you stink. Ooh, you stink.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you got yourself into.
And that, my friend, is how you change a diaper. I need to get a trash bag going, but I'm just gonna be nasty and put that right there on that counter, you know, because nobody really eats off of that island. Get off. Get off. Get off of me. Get off of me, Maddie. Get off of my leg. Stop bothering me. I just want to lay here and do nothing. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Go find your mama. Who's your mama? Who's your mama? Where's your mama? Where's your mama, girl? Where's your mama? Who's your mama, Maddie? Maddie, who's your mama? Give me one kiss. Give me one big kiss, and I'll leave you alone. Bye. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. I'm gonna drop you. I'm gonna drop you. You're going down, Maddie. You're going down. Oh my Lord, Maddie, you're going down. What did you spill on my carpet? What is this? Ew. What's that, Maddie? What is that? Here, use your clothes and dry it up. Don't step on it. What do you know about stepping on stuff? You're nasty. Clean up the house, Maddie. Clean up the house. You're gonna make a horrible housewife. Pick up the pillow. Come here. No, the pillow. Come here. Maddie. Pick up the pillow. Pick up the pillow, put it on the couch. Good girl. All right. You're such a horrible housewife. All right. Pick up your dish, your breakfast plate. Pick up the breakfast plate. Put it in the sink. Put it in the sink. Put it in the sink. In the sink. Put it in the sink. Put it in the sink. Put it in the sink. Where's the sink? Come back here, you little horrible housewife. Come back here. Put it in the sink. Put it in the sink. Come on, let's go. Put it in the sink. Come on. Put it in the sink. All right. We're going. We're going. Horrible housewife. Go clean up the rest. Go. Go. What else do you have to do? Huh? Huh? Pick up your dirty clothes off the floor. Where does it go? Upstairs? You can't go up there. You will fall off them stairs. Close your eyes. Lay down. Close your eyes and lay down. Close your eyes and lay down. No? Guys, Maddie and I are fighting. You know why Maddie and I are fighting? Maddie, stop. Stop. Let me put you on the dining table for a second. So, Maddie and I are fighting. Only one of us can talk at a time. Okay, you tell him first. Okay, alright. Alright, alright, my turn. So Maddie and I are fighting because Maddie's almost 2. And I'm trying to wean her from the breast. Granted, I breastfed longer with my other children, mainly Destiny and Jackson. Never breastfed the twins. It was too many of them wanted me. So I'm trying to wean this one because I want my body back. I want my body back. I'm tired of this child hanging off of my, you know, my woman parts. No, that sound wrong. I'm tired of this hanging off of my jugglers. Is it juggler? Whatever. You get it, you know. So I'm tired of that. So she wants to fight me. No, you can't mess up the dining table. She wants to fight me to be breastfed, and I'm like, no. She has like a whole mouth full of teeth. So I'm telling her, okay, you gotta come down on my table. She's gonna have a little tantrum. She's gonna have a mini tantrum. So I'm gonna feed her. I'm gonna get her food, like, you know, like babies do. I have these, oh, I love these things. So I have these bagel bites. They're just little miniature bagel bites. And if you're not careful, they will burn you. They're like stuffed bagel bites. You have to warm them up in the microwave. And I'm gonna give her maybe one or two, maybe one, see if she likes it, and some juice, and see if, because it's not even lunchtime. Oh, it is lunchtime. That's why she's bothering me. So I'm gonna put one. Want to see what they look like? So they just look like that. Okay. And I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Okay, mommy coming. I'm a horrible mother. Yes, I get that. I'm a horrible mother. 30 seconds. Don't do the whole 30 seconds on them. I think they're called Clancy or something. Don't do a whole 30 seconds on them, or else they get too hot if you're giving it to toddlers. Maybe 15 seconds. My battery's dying, so I'm gonna go charge that and come back. Where we live, it's day wanting to rain every day, all day. So, battery's all charged. Focus. All of this goodness needs your attention. Husband is home. Oh my word, it is dark. Holy Batman. I'm gonna show you guys. Look over there.
Neon blue.
It is so dark.
Oh, that's neon blue.
And it's coming for us.
Mom, may you sign this?
I'm gonna sign. I told you guys, stop hunting me down for signature, okay? I don't want an adult today. So it's dinner time. I'm making chicken Alfredo pesto. Wait a minute, which one is it? Chicken Alfredo pesto, or is it pesto? Both. I couldn't decide. I can't decide. So I have the pasta boiling. You guys, this pot been with me for a decade. It was my mother's mother. That's a lie. I have Alfredo, my chicken Alfredo going here, and then this is the basil pesto that I put in there. This is so good. So that's what I'm cooking up. Maddie's upstairs getting a bath by her sister. Shh. And Daddy's sleeping and I'm loud. Shh. Guys, Daddy's sleeping. Can you guys clean up this mess for me, please? Shh. Come, I said put the homework down. I will sign them. They don't even believe me. I don't even believe myself. Pick up all this mess. Anyways, guys, that's it for the night. Nothing. Oh, here comes the child. Oh Lord. Having a toddler is hard work, and if you have a toddler,
It's hard.
we should totally be best friends. Like when I tell you we should be best buddies, like heart to heart, like I know your pain, I know what you're going through, that kind of thing. Like we connect here, okay? Because oh Lord. Good night. Hi.
It's fun doing that.
Hi. You took a bath with your sister. Oh, you're nice and ready for bed. I think these PJs are a bit small, but hey.
Yeah, they are. They kind of fit in her bed.
Hi. You ready for bed? Yes,
She
what's
said
on your
that's too
PJ? Ooh, she's feeling herself.
Oh, why?
She's feeling herself. Come back. Alright guys, be quiet. Daddy's sleeping. I said I'm going to sign the homework them. What wrong with them? I said I'm going to sign them. Jesus. Why not suppress?
Copy them.
They just want my autograph. Like I know I'm amazing. But okay. Say hi, Teeny.
Hello.
Daddy's sleeping.
Hey, no, I didn't have to
Anyways, guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.